My name is Ruchi Nanji and I'm a chartered accountant. So let's dive directly deep into the financial fundamentals of a company. Today we'll be talking about Companies House. So whenever you want to register a company in the UK or whenever you want to start a company in the UK, you need to register it at the Companies House. I've provided the link over here. So you go to the Companies House, register your name, and if you do it online, you can do it in as fast as like within 24 hours, like within a day, and you register your company. And they have very minimal charges to even register your company. You need to mention your registered address, the nature of the business. It could be anything under the sun: manufacturing, trading, investing, anything, selling candles, or anything. And you need to file the company accounts. Once you register the company on the Companies House, you get a company number under which your business is registered. So as you can see over here, I have attached a screenshot from the Companies House website for your ease. So say for example, you want to look at the company information or the financial information of any random company. Let's pick up Tesla. So you can enter the company name, Tesla, and you can look at their recent company accounts, or you can even check when was it incorporated, who are the directors, who are the managers, who are the auditors. Um, uh, in the future, when you become auditors or credit analysts, or even as investors, if you want to know that how well is the company, what are the future plans that they have publicly already announced, you can just check those accounts directly into the company's house. Those are freely available to the public because those are the public records.